Writing power. So, Paul, every week I get letters from organisations that would like to be able to sell me something or explain their position, but sad to say, at least half of these letters end up in the bin because they don't make their point clearly enough or quickly enough. At the same time, I know that the people writing the letters are doing the best that they can, and they think that they're doing a great job. What's going wrong?
Few people have received any formal training in professional business writing. The program was put together specifically to help everybody at every level improve their professional writing skills to get their message across in print.
So, Paul, if the problem is not having the skills in how to write and how to write clearly, is this something that is easily learned?
If people have a moderate level of competency, we can teach them how to prepare information in such a way that anybody can understand it. One of the difficulties I think that many people face is overwriting. So rather than putting something together in 4 or 5 paragraphs, there are some people using 2 or 3 pages to say the same thing. So it isn't about teaching people to write more. Part of the problem is helping people begin to write less and get their message across easier and more succinctly.
So if I was to attend the Writing Power program to improve the way I am writing, what sort of things would I expect to learn and what difference would it make to my writing ability?
Well, you'll learn how to put a document together to achieve a better end result. In other words, rather than writing it from your point of view, to begin with the end in mind. What will the person receiving this document be thinking? How can I get my message across to this person? How to proof and edit your writing. How many times have you put together a document only to have a colleague proof it and find a huge number of mistakes? How to write reports, how to write memos, proposals and letters that achieve an outcome. This is particularly important for anybody that has to put together reports and proposals that have some influence on making a sale.
So to summarise, I would imagine that if you have some people in the organisation that are excellent at writing, it would reflect very well on the organisation and stop maybe some of those letters ending up in the bin.
That's exactly right. How important is it that your organisation looks to the outside world? How many hours a week will you be able to save by being better writers?